Okay, now we're going to talk about area. So area is the measure of square units that covers an area or a figure. So on this, sometimes you're used to seeing area where it might have the grid boxes behind. This one doesn't. So what do we do when it doesn't have those grid boxes to help us count? Well, we're going to treat it like the first part of perimeter, where we're going to have to find the difference of some sides. So if we first look at the white, where we have a question mark here, just like we did at the beginning of the perimeter slide. Okay, we want to know what this question mark is. Well, this line is vertical, going up and down, so we're going to find all the other vertical lines. In this case, that would be the 9 inches and the 18 inches. So if we think of the 18 as our whole and a 9 as a part, what do we do to find the other part? We subtract. So 18 minus 9 gives us 9 inches. So this white side here would be 9 inches. Okay, now let's do the question mark up here above the blue. Okay, this one's going horizontal, left and right. So we're going to find the other horizontal lines, the 27 and the 15. And just like we did with the purple circles, we're going to subtract those. So 27 minus 15 equals 12 inches. So the difference in those two is 12 inches. Okay. Now, the formula for perimeter is length times width. So if we wanted to find the area of just the blue rectangle here, just the blue, we're going to take the length, which would be this question mark, which we now know is 12, and we're going to do the 12 times the 18 to find out what the area is. So 12 times 18 is 216. So the area of this blue is 216 inches. Okay. We want to find the area of the red. Okay. We know that this is 15 because, again, the rectangle's two long sides are the same. Well, this white is 15. That means that just the red part of this would be 15 inches. And then the width is 9 inches. So if we did the formula for area, that would be length times width. The length is 15 inches times 9 inches would give us 135 inches.